everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to display different image banners on different devices using the Shopify Dawn theme. First off, let me tell you why this is useful. Different devices, like phones, tablets, and desktops, have different screen sizes and orientations. By customizing your image banners for each device, you can create a better user experience. Also, smaller images load faster on mobile devices, making your site load faster and run smoother. Currently, in the free Shopify theme Dawn, you can't set separate images for mobile view and desktop view by default. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to work around this limitation. Oh, and make sure to back up your theme before making any code changes. Step 1. Just go to your theme editor and add 2 image banner sections to your homepage. Upload the images you'd like to use for desktop and mobile views. I use different images for each view to show the distinction. Step 2. Preview the theme and click F12 to open the developer tools. Find the body section and locate the image banner sections within the main content. Note down the section IDs. Keep in mind that the 2 image banner sections have different IDs. The beginning numbers are the same, but one section ID has an extra string of characters at the end. Step 3. Open your theme editor and click on Edit Code. Find and open the theme.liquid file. Scroll to the bottom of the file and paste the provided code snippet. The code used in this video will be available on our blog, and links will be shown on the screen and in the comments section. Make sure to replace the placeholder IDs with the actual section IDs you noted earlier. Be careful not to make any mistakes while doing this. Save your changes. Now, let's check out the results. Look, the desktop banner is displayed on desktop and the mobile banner is displayed on mobile. By following these steps, you can make sure your image banners look great on any device. This small tweak can make a big difference in how your customers experience your site, ultimately leading to more engagement and sales. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.